Hello students, welcome to another video. Today we are going to discuss some examples on de Polignac formula. So first example is find the highest power of 7. Find the highest power of 7 that divides 1000 factorial. Find the highest power of 7 that divides 1000 factorial. In the de Polignac formula, we have seen that the highest power of p that divides n factorial is e, which is of the form summation of I rising from 1 to infinity greatest integer function of n upon p raised to I. Using that formula, for that here we have given that prime number p is equals to 7. So we are going to find the power of 7 which is dividing 1000 factorial. So p is equals to 7 and n is equals to 1000. Since we are finding the power of 7 that dividing 1000 factorial. So n is equals to 1000. So therefore by de Polignac formula, by using de Polignac formula, we have the largest exponent of some prime number which dividing n factorial is e is equals to summation I running from 1 to infinity greatest integer function of n upon p raised to I. So here the largest exponent e is of the form summation of n upon p raised to I. So here n is equals to 1000 and p is equals to 7. So we are just going to run this summation from 1 to infinity. So first of all, putting the value of n, p and I is equals to 1, we get n is 1000, p is 7, I is equals to 1. So 1000 plus this summation, again 1000 upon putting the value of I is equals to 2, we get 7 square plus again n upon p raised to I is equals to 1 to 3. So 7 cube plus up to so on. This I range from 1 to infinity. So now we will find this greatest integer function of 1000 upon 7. By using calculator, we can directly write it as 1000 by 7, and 1000 by 7 is 142.85 greatest integer function of this number, plus 7 square is 49. So 1000 by 49 is some 20.28 something, plus 1000 upon 7 cube is 2.85, plus 1000 upon 7 raised to 4 will give us 0.28, and the greatest integer function furthermore becomes 0, since the greatest integer function, definition of greatest integer function is the greatest integer less than or equals to this number. So here the greatest integer less than or equals to this number is 142. So greatest integer function of 142 point something is 142, plus this greatest integer function is 20, this 2 plus 0 plus 0, so on. So adding these numbers we get 164. So E is the 164, and that is the highest power of 7 dividing 1000 factorial. Therefore 164 is the highest power of 7 that divides 1000 factorial, that divides 1000 factorial. So similarly, this was our first example. Now the second example is find the highest power of 2 and 3 which divides 533 factorial. So in this example we have given that two values of prime number, that is 2 and 3, and we have to find the highest power of 2 dividing 533 factorial and highest power of 3 dividing 533 factorial. So in the first case we are going to take prime p is equals to 2 and n is equals to 533 factorial. And similarly, solving this like this example, we find the power of 2 dividing 533 factorial, and after that again in the second case we will take p is equals to 3 and n is equals to 533 and apply same procedure to find the highest power of that particular number. So by therefore by de Polignac formula, de Polignac formula, we know the highest power E is of the form I running from 1 to infinity greatest integer function of n upon p raised to I. Here n is equals to 533 and p raised to I, so prime number is 2 raised to I. So running I from 1 to infinity, we will get this 533 upon 2 plus greatest integer function of 533 upon 2 square plus greatest integer function of 533 upon 2 raised to cube plus up to so on. And simplifying this, we will get the greatest, this dividing 533 by 2 on calculator, we will get the 266.5 plus again dividing 533 by 2 square, we will get the number 133. After dividing 533 by 2 cube, we will get 66.5 plus again after dividing 533 by 2 raised to 4, we will get answer 33 plus we have to apply this procedure until we get the greatest integer function of some number is equals to 0. We have to terminate this procedure whenever we get the greatest integer function is equals to 0 or this number is equals to some 0 point something. Now dividing 533 factorial, 533 by 2 raised to 5, we will get the answer some 16.5. Again dividing 533 by 2 raised to 6, we get the answer 8. Again dividing that number, we will get the answer 4, and similarly we will get 2 plus 1 plus 0. Now we have to find the greatest integer function of each number, and after adding those numbers we will get our required answer. So adding these numbers, so greatest integer function of 266.5 is 266, 133 is 133, 66.65 is 66, and greatest integer function of 33 is 33, greatest integer function of 16.5 is 16, 8, 4, 2 and 1. So adding those numbers, we will get 266 plus 133 plus 66. In each case, in each division, we are just increasing this divisor by into 2, that is multiplying by 2. So we have to divide this number by 2, we will get this. After dividing this number by 2, we will get this. After dividing this by 2, we will get this. Similarly, we can write this 33 plus 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, and adding these numbers, we get 529. So 529 is the largest power of 2 that divides. 529 is the largest power of 2 that divides 533 factorial. In similar case, we will find for p is equals to 3 and n is equals to 533. Applying the same result, we will get the answer. That is for homework. Do it by yourself. Now this is for homework. We will take one note, and using this note we can solve these examples. So first of all, note is let n be a positive integer, let n be a positive integer, and e1 be the largest exponent, that is highest power or largest exponent is the largest exponent of suppose m1 dividing n factorial. Also suppose this e2 be the largest exponent largest exponent of some m2 dividing n factorial, and if GCD of this m1 and m2 is equals to 1, then the largest exponent of m, the largest exponent of n factorial is e, and which is equals to minimum of this e1 and e2. Let n be the positive integer, suppose such that this n can be written in the form m1 into m2. Let n be the positive integer such that n is equals to m1 and m2, and e1 is the largest exponent of this m1 which divides n factorial, and suppose e2 will be the largest exponent of m2 which divides n factorial. Then the largest exponent of p which divided, that is the largest exponent of some prime number which dividing this n factorial is minimum of, let n be the positive integer and p prime, suppose this prime p, not a prime p, suppose any number q which is multiplication of m1 and m2. So for example, if you have given or such examples that find the, suppose if you have given such examples, find the highest power of suppose 6 that divides suppose 533 factorial. If you have asked such questions, then you have to write this 6, you can write this 6 as 2 into 3, and after that you can find the highest power of 2 dividing 533 factorial and highest power of 3 dividing 533 factorial. Then but you have to find the highest power of 6 which dividing 533 factorial. So our de Polignac formula is useful for the prime numbers, that is highest power of prime which dividing some n factorial. So here 2 is prime, 3 is prime, and their GCD is 1. So you have to find that highest power by using this method, that is you have to write 6 is equals to 2 into 3 and find the highest power of these two numbers separately, that is highest power of 2 dividing this number, highest power of 3 dividing this number, and the minimum of those highest powers is your final answer. So if you find the, since in the previous example we have find the highest power of 2 dividing 533 factorial is 529, and if you solve this example, that is for the p is equals to 3, you will get the answer 263, and in those numbers 263 is the minimum of that highest power, and your answer will be that 263. So if we solve this example, in the previous lecture we have, so in the previous example we have the highest power of 2 that divides 533 factorial is 529, that divides 533 factorial, and if you solve this example for your homework, then you will get the highest power of 3 is 263 that divides 533 factorial, and here e1 is equal to this 529 and e2 is equals to 263. So you have to find the highest power of 6 that divides 533 factorial. Then e is, that is the highest power of 6 is minimum of this e1 e2, that is minimum of 529 and 263, and the minimum number is 263. So you will get the highest power of 6 is 263 which divides 533 factorial, hence the solution. So this note is useful if you have given some number which is not prime, then you have to express that number into multiplication of primes, and you have to find for each prime number using de Polignac's formula, you have to find the highest power of each prime number and minimum of those prime numbers, you will get your answer, hence the solution.